If you want to change your cookie settings in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open the right settings, choose the cookie behavior you want, and add websites to the allowed list for third-party cookies. This is useful if a site is not logging in correctly, a checkout page is failing, or a website needs cookies to remember your preferences. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips and tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps its main settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles tracking, site data, security, and cookie permissions. Now move to the center panel and click Third-Party Cookies, or in some versions you may see Sites that can use cookies. Chrome changes the wording sometimes, but the idea is the same. This is the area where you manage what websites can store and access in your browser. Here you'll see your core cookie rules. Chrome usually gives you a few different options depending on your version. One option is to allow third-party cookies. If you choose this, websites can save preferences, keep you signed in, and remember activity across different tabs and embedded services. This can help with websites that need full cookie support. Another option is to block third-party cookies. If you choose this, Chrome will restrict cross-site trackers and external embedded features across your browsing windows. This is better for privacy, but keep in mind that some websites may not work properly. For example, login pages, payment systems, video embeds, or shopping carts can sometimes break when third-party cookies are blocked. So choose the setting that matches what you need. If privacy is your priority, blocking third-party cookies may be the better choice. If convenience and compatibility matter more, allowing them may be the better option. Next, scroll down the cookie settings page until you reach Sites Allowed to Use Third-Party Cookies. This section is very helpful when you want to keep third-party cookies blocked overall, but still allow specific websites that you trust or that need them to function. To add a website, click the Add button next to Allowed to Use Third-Party Cookies. A small box will appear asking for the site address. Type the domain name of the website you want to allow. Make sure you enter it correctly, then click Add to save it. Once you've added the site, Chrome will remember that exception and allow that website to use third-party cookies, even if your general cookie settings are more restrictive. This is a great way to balance privacy and functionality. If you ever need to change your mind later, you can come back to the same cookie settings menu, remove the site from the allowed list, or switch your core cookie rule again. That means you're always in control of how Chrome handles cookies. And that's how to set cookie settings in Google Chrome. You now know how to open the cookie menu, choose whether to allow or block third-party cookies, and add trusted sites to the allowed list. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.